Here we got the Nintendo Switch Joycon Charger. This is the official licensed Joycon Charger. Let's open it up. Got everything out of the box. First we got a manual, a lot of paper, then some plastic, and then this is the charger. We've got 4 input points here for Joy-Cons, so you can put 2 sets of Joy-Cons on it. Nintendo Switch logo here, some lights on top. The lights indicate if the charging is working, so if you don't see a light, it's not charging correctly. You haven't put it on correctly. And then we got a USB charger, and this USB charger you can charge with the Nintendo Switch dock. So you put it in the dock on the outside where you can put the controls in and stuff like that. You can also put this dock in. If you want to charge 1 or 2 Joy-Cons, it will take 3.5 hours. Of course, you probably want to charge 2 because then you're charging a set. If you want to charge 3 or 4 of them, it is going to take up to 7 hours. It's made for the Nintendo Switch dock, but you can also put this USB charger in something else that is giving this USB power. So it doesn't have to be the Switch dock. Make sure that you put on the Joy-Cons straight and not upside down because it's going to be really hard to get them off again and it won't charge.